been touring stateside, kissing my Swedish boy over FaceTime. You can be here with me, 'cause if I stalk on
Ready? It's slow down. Let's have some fun. You got it. 5, 6, 5, 6. Step left, right. And 1, 2, turn 3, 4, hit 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Step right, left, tap, hit 5 and 6. Look 7, pose 1, hold 2, jump 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. Hand overhead 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Circle 5, 6. We pose, 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 circle, circle, circle. Excellent job. Let's go to tempo. Woo! Ready? You got it. 5, 6, 5, 6. Step left, right. And 1, 2, turn. Up, hit. 7, 8, 1, 2. Double tap. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Pose. 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. Hand. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Circle. Pose. Pose. Amazing job. Let's try without cueing. My feelings on the plane, worries fade away when I hit the stage. I've been touring stateside, kissing my Swedish boy over FaceTime. Oh no, opening up would make me a